Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in web development with DoorDash, full guide step by step clearly. Investing in web development with DoorDash can be a strategic move for tech-savvy entrepreneurs. Begin by understanding the business model of DoorDash. Research how DoorDash operates and its impact on the food delivery industry. Identify the key technologies that power the DoorDash platform. These may include mobile application development, back-end services, and database management. Next, explore the skills required for web development. Focus on front-end and back-end technologies such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and server-side languages. Look into frameworks and libraries that enhance web development efficiency. Consider popular choices like React, Angular, or Node.js. Assess the current market demand for web development services related to platforms like DoorDash. Use job boards, freelancer platforms, or industry reports for insights. Once you have a good grasp of the skills needed, start acquiring them. Enroll in online courses or boot camps focused on web development. Practice your skills by working on personal projects or contributing to open source initiatives. As you build your expertise, consider networking with others in the industry. Join web development forums or attend tech meetups to connect with like-minded individuals. After building a network, focus on creating a portfolio that showcases your work. Include projects that mimic functionalities seen in platforms like DoorDash. Next, explore opportunities to collaborate with local restaurants or businesses. Offer to build or improve their online ordering systems. This practical experience will enhance your portfolio and expand your understanding of web development. Once you feel confident in your skills and experience, consider building an application inspired by DoorDash. This could be a delivery platform for niche markets or specific communities. Plan your business model carefully, perhaps focusing on unique selling points that differentiate you from DoorDash. As you develop your app, prioritize user experience and performance. These factors are crucial for gaining traction in the competitive market. Finally, launch your application and actively seek feedback from users. Use this feedback to iterate and improve your platform continually. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.